Hi guys, in this last video I'm actually going to introduce you to my trades in more details. As far as you remember, in the first couple of videos I walk you through quickly this trade and I show you the YouTube channel that I have uploaded it to. But here I'm actually opening my real account trading platform, and this is actually the place where I sold 10 contracts of Bitcoin. This is my stop loss just slightly higher, which is the level of 29.60, and now I'm expecting the price to go lower, so my price target is the level of 2500. Okay, so what do you like about this platform is first, it's very sleek and it lacks all typical distractions that other platforms will give you. Also, it shows you a very precisely the levels. It's not a lagging platform, and at the same time the execution is great. So I highly recommend that you get this platform, since it's one of the only ones that are offering reliable cryptocurrencies that you can trade. And this pretty much it wraps it up. I will try to post more regular updates to show you how my trading is going, if I have another interesting trade maybe. In the meantime, you can follow me on bestonlinebitcoinbrokers.com or check out my YouTube channel. I will also give you some links in the description so you can easily find me. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate, just ask anything, and I'll be more than happy to help and exchange experiences with you guys. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.